All right.
What's up, everyone? Well, we're out at the off-grid property today, and I am gonna get my rooftop tent installed on my super janky custom wooden DIY flatbed that I built. All right, well, let's give you guys a peek at the trail ahead. It's a little tight, but we're scraping on through. And the James Brood is stored right up here. So we're just gonna pick that bad boy up and slap her on there. Should be pretty easy. I'm gonna measure out the eye to eye on the channels that are in the tent. And then I'm going to measure that out on the flatbed and drill my holes. And then when we get the tent on, it should just drop right in. Okay. So, oh geez, I got my freaking thing caught in my shoes. Anyways, here's the James Brood, everyone. It's been a while. Hey, Brood. So yeah, let's go ahead and measure out the rails in here and get our holes drilled in the flatbed. Okay, I lied. We need a tape measure for this. There's just no way of getting around it. So we need the hole to be 3.5 inches in. So about right there. Okay, I got the holes drilled and ready for rooftop tent assistance.
Roger that. We're on our way in 2 minutes.
Man, that's crystal clear. Copy that, over and out. I love it. Awesome. Yeah, so these are perfect. These Rugged Radio V3s are perfect for the off-grid property. So stoked to have met Fonzie from Rugged out at the off-road swap meet. Super cool dude. We hung out. Oh, I got the James Brood mounted. My parents helped me lift it up. I think it looks cool back there. I was a little nervous at first when I set the tent on. The bolts weren't not coming all the way through. They really just needed to be sandwiched in. And the bolt heads have like maybe 1/4 inch that they're hanging down the bottom. So let me show you. So on the front ones, we were able to use the factory mounts. And we just got some spacers in there. These are super tucked up in there. The back, we used just one mount. We cut the factory mounts in half to make the original mounts that went on the pack racks. This side's way better looking though. Got one washer there. That though is by far the best mount, of course. And yeah, I'm thinking this will be super solid. Lock washers. So we'll just keep an eye on them and make sure they stay tight. Ended up being pretty straight for maybe putting 2 or 3 days of actual work in with mounting it, getting up here, and also building the bed. Couldn't really ask for more. I think it's going to be plenty solid and get the job done for a month or two to run this old James Brood a little bit longer. Look how funky that looks. I love it. All right, let's get back to the clearing and hang out in some shade. Freaking hot area. Feels so good to be driving this truck with the rooftop tent on it again. It's a home on wheels again. I'm an Overlander again. Look at this Frankenstein though. I mean, some will not know what to think of it. I don't even really know what to think of it, but I like it. So excited to have it like 2-3 feet lower. I can just throw Coda up in there. I think I can just use my step ladder. I don't need that big ladder. It won't be cutting into the wind and killing my miles per gallon by 2 to 3 because it's down low. So lots of advantages. As long as I can pack the thing up, I checked front clearances on the hinges of the tent and it works for unlatching them, but when I got back and popped the tent open, it didn't have enough clearance to actually latch them. So I had to move the tent back 1 inch or 2, which seemed really easy, but the tent was stuck to the wooden flatbed because the paint hadn't quite cured and it almost acted like a glue. So we wrenched on it with our hands as much as we could until we came up with this super sketchy, redneck, awesome solution. Tension.
This one's falling.
Okay, just try to hold tension on that. Okay, hooked up to the trees. We're gonna pull the truck forward a little bit and hopefully inch this tent forward just the teensiest weensiest. All right.
Move forward like 2 feet.
Yeah, just yell at me.
All right. I feel like we've got tension. Okay. I believe we have tension, sir.
I'm completely off the brake.
You're off the brake right now?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not good. Off the brake a little, and you should have full tension there.
Okay, now watch the tent.
Okay, I'm gonna watch.
Actually, yeah, watch
watching it right here. Whenever you're ready, sir. Stop.
It moved?
You're about an inch.
Sweet.
You can go a little more if you want. Stop. Let me see the back.
This is working though.
Okay. You want to test it right now while you have it? Like, just pull it down.
I think I want it back a little more even because, yeah, I want it back a little more and then maybe we can test it. Dude, this is awesome. What are the weird things?
Okay, you're good. A little more. That's good.
Woo! I can't believe that worked. One of the weirder things. Well, thanks for checking out this. Getting the rooftop tent all on the rig. Comment, let me know what you guys think. And make sure you're subscribed as well so you don't miss the next one. We'll see ya. The only question is, are you down to mob?